Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, remote keyless entry, electric shift on the fly transfer case, spray and bed liner, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included.